Guys, I found a cryptocurrency exchange that revolutionizes the way users could swap their cryptocurrencies. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so this is the landing page of Xgram. Link to this will be in the description of the video. It is revolutionizing the way users swap cryptocurrency by providing a seamless, fast, and secure experience directly within Telegram and on the web. So it is designed for ultimate convenience, which ensures the privacy and ease of use while maintaining the decentralized exchange principles with the efficiency of a centralized exchange. Now, with access to over 590 trading pairs and the industry's leading low fees. Now guys, with access to over 590 trading pairs and the industry's leading low fees of approximately just 0.1%, Xgram allows users to swap crypto effortlessly in an average time of just 12 minutes. So whether exchanging Bitcoin, Monero, Ethereum, or any lesser known altcoins out there, this platform is actually ensuring a smooth and rapid transaction process. Now, one of Xgram's standout features, guys, in my honest opinion, is its unique internal token, which is the XG, which also grants users additional benefits, and it includes enhanced cashback rewards as well. So the exclusive perks is actually available within the Telegram mini app, and it offers an incentive for frequent traders while promoting user engagement within the ecosystem. And that is what I like about Xgram, guys, is because, you know, they have that type of cashback feature which benefits those that are frequently trading. So again, this is something that you need to take advantage of, guys, and they are trusted by major industry players like Trocador, Swapspace, and Monorica. So Xgram continues to strengthen its position through strategic partnerships, which also includes an ongoing collaboration with Best Chain. And guys, to be honest, okay, these alliances reinforce the platform's reliability and commitment to providing a top-tier crypto swapping service. Now, beyond its technical advantages, Xgram's integration within Telegram offers a user-friendly experience which makes crypto swapping as simple as just sending a message. Now, by eliminating unnecessary complexities and maximizing efficiency, Xgram is ensuring that users can trade crypto faster than ordering a pizza, right? So, I mean, without the hassle, without the delays, and without a compromise, you can make all your transactions as seamless as possible and as fast as possible. So as the next bull run approaches, those in the know are already leveraging Xgram's powerful features to maximize their crypto potential. Now guys, I would still strongly suggest, of course, for you to do your own research, and what better way to do that than by going to their website, because there's a lot of information that talks about who they are, what they do, and you have all the features and benefits that you could get when using Xgram. And guys, I would strongly suggest also that you follow all their social media platforms. You have all of them at the bottom of their website. Make sure to give them a follow, a subscribe. That way when they have updates, announcements, giveaways, airdrops, anything, and basically everything that talks about them, you will not miss out on any of those. So this is the Rex account. Go ahead and give them a follow. And this is their Telegram account, guys. Go ahead and subscribe to that as well. So we checked out Xgram. I like this, guys, because again, you know, it makes and it gives back to their community cashbacks and all those good stuff, especially for the ones that frequently trade. So go ahead and check this one out. And of course, if you're new to the channel, I hope you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That will always be notified when I upload new videos like this in the future. I'll see you on the next amount. Peace.